fly, we keep it Indian. Rapping all the billions, better from Melbourne to Michigan. We used to living with villains and often killers, but sinners we never oblivious about God the illest. Far from errors, we high five fellas, divine relics. On microphones, we define sickest. Apart from my name, this one thing these women like saying. Dropping the purest of flows. You like that, baby? It's the machas on the show. We like that. The word generic, verbs are methodic. Belief was genetic. The fake try and measure it. Down the lion, imposing intent to fiends. Stepping on the evil, I'm crushing the lesser beings beneath my feet and expose your cowardice. And keep you on the ground till you know you're powerless. Ain't no pacifist, nah, we ain't never this calm. We do no wrong, but if you do it, then we become a demigod. Taking forms, leaving enemies harmed. So get along, together we be singing this song like this. Yeah. Avidyana mantastimira mihira dvipanagiri Jananam Chaitanya Stavakam Karandastudicari. Translation. Oh gracious one, you're the sun that dispels the darkness of the unlettered. You're the stream of consciousness for the unthinking fool. Daridanam Chintamani Gunarika Janma Jalado Nimagnanam Tamshamuraripuvarahasya Bhavati. You are the all-given precious stone for the poor. For those crowned by the sea of birds to the toss of the ball. Oh, I see you and everybody around me waiting to break free and run loose in the wild. Yeah. So I jump into the scene performing the backflip. Burn the devil, cause him to turn into ashes. With the wrath of a woman combined with raw courage. Clash with the titan, the sign to cause ruckus in your